you don't see anything since it's so dark right now, but we're arriving to Singapore in 9 minutes, so yeah, I'll show this whole 9 minutes video. Then after that, then we do the landing. So here we go. So to Singapore, arriving time at 10:42 p.m. Boeing 787-10 and this cool little button. There is that some long building. Coco throwing tantrum because having headache. He is being too dramatic. I don't know what altitude are we, or 7,000 feet, speed 282. Approaching landing. What are you giving, Coco? Approaching landing. There's a wheel, and there's the wheel. I think 5 more minutes until we land. And I don't think I'll land here. Came down yet. So yeah. Right now it's 15 degrees. 4 more minutes until we land, and the local at the present position is 9:36 p.m.
Can we go to your landing stations?
Now we're landing. Approaching landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure that your seatbelt is
Now here's the
fastened.
announcement.
Thank you.
Okay, we're descending real hard. That's the English and the Chinese. No, English and Korean. Now we're turning. This 787-10 must be a smooth butter. Smooth as butter, 10, 5-star, and a 10/10 airline. That was 19 degrees and 257 degrees heading. And we have been flying for 5 hours and 43 minutes. And right now we're at 4,000 feet and 201 knots. And we are approaching for landing. Now 20 degrees. Approaching. coming for landing. We're coming for landing. Now returning again. Now it's 10:38. 4 more minutes until we land. The distance from Singapore is 20 kilometers. And distance travel is 4,850 kilometers. We're approaching for landing. 192 knots and 27,000 feet from landing. And I can't believe this is my longest flight ever. This has been my longest flight ever. My old record from my longest flight was from Singapore to Hong Kong, but now this is Singapore, and now Singapore to Korea, and now we came from Korea to Singapore. 3 more minutes until we land, and yeah. Outside temperature is 25 degrees. And headwind of 7 kilometers. And we're approaching landing. Hope no windshield landing or anything else. We took off at 5 p.m. Now we're landing at 10:42. We're landing soon. We're landing 22 degrees. Outside temperature is 26 degrees. Landing in 2 more minutes. Time since departure is 5 hours and 46 minutes. Local time at Seoul is 11:40 p.m. Local time at Singapore is 10:40 p.m. And distance to Singapore is 9 kilometers. Distance travel is 4,859 kilometers. And altitude is 498 meters. Our distance travel is 4,850. And 2 more minutes until we land.
7 kilometers left.
Okay. 1 more minute until we land.
Already, they pick up the airport.
56, 55,
Only then you have
54.
data already.
1,400 altitude, 1,400 feet, and the speed I totally forgot, but we're approaching for our landing. Huh? Okay, coming for landing.
Papa drive. Who drive?
大家跟。We're arriving soon. So here we go.
Papa drive to 65. What the food drive to where?
Okay, the summer. 1 minute remaining. Awesome. We haven't landed yet. Okay, now we're descending. Okay. Awesome.
0.
Oh, we reached at Singapore Changi Airport already. Awesome. 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 We're landing. Awesome. Boom, boom. Well, it was a good journey from Seoul to Singapore, and I have a best holiday in Korea. But unfortunately, I didn't see snow. But was about to go ice skating. But it's a 5-hour trip to reach there, so I won't go there. So, in the meantime, while we are arriving to our gate soon, I will be showing some planes that I know. I know I can't see anything, but I don't know what to do.
Welcome to Singapore, ladies and gentlemen. And to all Singaporeans
Oh wait, never mind.
of Singapore, a warm welcome home. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the stop sign is off.
We have arrived already, and now I stop the recording.